As if I don't already have enough energy. Oh, that's good. Oh, I love coffee. Oh, so good. I don't know if it's the emoticon that makes it taste better, or it's just, coffee's just that good. Ooh, so good. Oh, coffee. So good. All right, what's up guys? This is Dr. O from Innovative Dental. Hope you're having an awesome week. Man, it's been a week since I've seen you guys, unless you've been watching the Dental Drive. Do you guys like the Dental Drive? Is it working out? Is it engaging? Is it fun? Am I wasting my time? I mean, seriously, be honest with me. I can take it. I can take it. I'm pretty tough. I think I might cry a little bit. I'll try to hide my tears. I'll edit the tears out of the camera shots and stuff, but just comment below. You know what I'm talking about. Just comment below. This smile transformation should be one that'll help a lot of you understand, and I'm sure you'll relate to her story and kind of what situation she had going on with her bite and her smile prior to seeking out cosmetic treatment. So when she came into our practice, she didn't tell us this initially, but in follow-up appointments, one of the things that she had said in her follow-up appointments is now she can take a selfie with her granddaughter. And if you've seen, we have a promotional video and it actually has that where the daughter gets married and the mom doesn't want to smile and then afterwards she smiles. That was really based off of this lady right here. So, you know, I sat next to her at church about 3 or 4 weeks ago after I stood next to her in the coffee line at church. So it's kind of cool to see her there and just kind of see her smiling and living life, you know, out in the wild, enjoying her new smile. So it was pretty cool to connect with her and say hello. Let's get back to the story of the smile, okay? So when she first came, she wanted to do something fairly quickly. She saw that we could do smiles in a day, that we can transform smiles with veneers in a single visit, and had heard that people have come to us for that, and that's kind of what she wanted. And looking at her bite, so let's go ahead and look at the close-up photo here, and I'll point to this side so we can keep this cool. And you like the fireplace? It's like warm on my back. Woo! Oh, it's so good. Coffee is so good. Cheers. Can you see the steam? Anyways, it's good. If we look at this photo of the close-up of her bite, bite is really important before we do cosmetic treatment for a number of reasons. Obviously, we have to have the space in her bite to make the teeth the proper dimension. So height and width and making sure that they look great. After all, if you're gonna invest quite a bit in your smile and wanna have a confident, beautiful smile, you definitely don't wanna waste the money and get something that's kind of subpar. And right here you can tell that if we were to build those teeth any taller, especially those canines, those are actually her baby canines, isn't that cool? She's got her primary or baby canine teeth still present, good amount of bone, so pretty neat that she's still rocking those. We were able to actually look at that and consider, can we place any veneers on that, or can we make them look pretty? And obviously the bite, not gonna let that happen. So because of her bite, we had to address that first. We had to move teeth. And you know, we didn't used to have such a great solution for adults to move teeth. And now we have an amazing solution, and that's called Invisalign. So we used accelerated Invisalign, and we used some special techniques to, and if you've watched this channel at all, you've heard me probably talk about Invisalign quite a bit because I love it. It's awesome. It's a great tool for us, and it allows us to not have to cut corners and give people just not as good of the quality smile as we can. So we want to be able to make the teeth the right length, and so in order to do that, we need to create some room. And Invisalign is an awesome tool to do that. We decided to use that for about 6 months and move her bite to where she had some clearance, and those teeth now were in a proper position that when we restored them with veneers, they could bite and not hit each other. You can see before they're kind of end to end, and now we were able to create the proper over jet and over bite. So those two things are pretty important when you're considering making a beautiful smile. So she's an amazing person, an awesome story of how someone goes from, here's the before, you know, still a beautiful lady before, just because those worn canines kind of looks like maybe she's missing some teeth, but after we were able to look at her now, look at the confidence that she has in her smile. Let's go ahead and go to the close-up of the bite, and now you can kind of see in her bite where there's no space, and then now transforming to the after, where now we have the space, the teeth are the right length, and they work beautifully with their smile. What's awesome too is we're able to go pretty light. I know there's a lot of fears when patients are going, okay, how do I make these not look like chiclets or fake? And that's really up to the dentist using the proper material. It's not just a component of shade. So using the right shade is great, but it needs to be something that's translucent. So if you're looking for veneers, obviously we would love for you to come to our practice. We have people do that all the time. We got a lady from New York coming next week. We just took care of a guy from Texas today. I mean, we've got people traveling. So if you're interested in that, get in touch with us. We have a concierge service that'll help you set up that appointment so you can get the vacation dentistry and transform your smile. So don't let distance be a problem, but I get that not everybody's gonna wanna travel. And so if you're not, make sure you talk with your dentist about the type of material. I'd recommend something like I prefer Emax, or your feldspathic porcelain is another one, but feldspathic is kind of likely to fracture. So for many reasons, I would prefer Emax porcelain, and so you might have heard me talk about that before, but I'd maybe request that or talk to a cosmetic dentist in your area if you're wanting to do the treatment there that is comfortable using that material as a veneer for you, because it can look really natural, especially if they use a higher translucent material rather than a low translucent. That just means, fancy term, translucency for how much light does it let in. And when light can penetrate the veneer, looks really good. So that's all to say, look at her smile, looks great, looks natural. Now she can get those selfies confidently with her daughter. And I mean, how do you put a value on that? That's pretty cool when you think about spending life with people, not feeling comfortable smiling and expressing your joy, and then take that and now you can fully express your joy and your happiness and smile big and bright and confidently, and do it in photos with your kids, people you love, your loved ones. That's awesome. Being a dentist and doing cosmetic dentistry has got to be one of the most rewarding, fantastic, enjoyable things. And I just love this story. I hope you loved it too. Next week, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for next week. We interviewed the girl today. She is so cool. And I'll put up her photo here, but this is before. And she, I mean, there are a lot of private things that went on in her life, a lot of challenges, I think some illnesses, I don't know all the details, but just trying to put herself, and she talks a lot about her own worth. And so that's gonna be next week. So if you're kind of on the fence about doing something like improving your smile and transforming your life with that, this is the lady you want to talk to. She's got a story, she's got a passion for life. So tune in next week and definitely don't miss that amazing smile transformation and the personal interview and testimony of that amazing patient. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. Hopefully it was encouraging. I'm hoping somebody learned something so that way they don't make any mistakes when they get their smile done, and learn that, hey, maybe positioning the teeth first, if they're crooked or the bite is wrong, is more of a priority, so that way you don't waste your investment and you get a beautiful smile afterwards. That would be worth every second of this video if somebody sees it and avoids that mistake. So I hope you enjoyed it. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, smash the thumbs up button, share it with a friend, and don't, I know I'm sorry I keep having to ask, but it's the way that YouTube works. Subscribe, and then those little bell dingy things, just hit that so you don't miss a notification. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up. We're gonna give away a smile this summer. Details to come. You don't wanna miss that. It may not even be you that needs it, but maybe you know somebody that needs it. Family member, loved one, friend. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss the announcement of how we're gonna change a life and document, and we're gonna share that. That person's gonna be a star because so many people are gonna see how their smile is transformed. And guess what? You guys can be anywhere. If you're watching this, literally if you're watching this video right now, you can be this patient. So if you're saying I can't afford at this point in my life cosmetic dentistry, but I need this change in my life, then you're definitely gonna wanna submit this entry, and we'll give you more details, but you're definitely gonna wanna stay tuned so that way you don't miss it. It'd be a bad deal to miss a free smile or an opportunity at it, wouldn't it? It'd be pretty bad. Thanks for watching. Keep looking amazing, guys. You look really good today. Yeah, you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Your smile's on point, looking good, hair's fly. You just keep it up. I like that. Make sure you bring that next week so that way you look just as good as you did this week. And you know what? Keep smiling. It looks really good on you.